Hey everyone, this is CA Neha Gupta. I welcome you all on this channel. I always advise you to go for the ITR filing on time. But in some cases, usually people miss to file the ITR. In that cases, there are some disadvantages that these people need to bear. So in today's video, we are going to discuss in detail that what are these disadvantages of late filing of ITR. So without wasting much more time, let's start this video. Before moving further, I have a request that kindly help me to make more videos, and that you can do by subscribing my channel. When you miss to file the ITR, there are certain disadvantages. One disadvantage is majorly people are aware of is the late fees. That obviously there is a late fees that you need to bear of amount, let's say 5,000 rupees or maximum 10,000 rupees you need to bear. But do you know that apart from this disadvantage, there are other disadvantages too. So the major second disadvantage, first is the late fees, and the second major disadvantage is you cannot go for the new tax regime, and most of the people are not aware about it. What they are doing, they are planning their taxes through new tax regime, and later on when they are filing the ITR late, they cannot go for the new tax regime. Now they are filing their ITR through old tax regime, and now they are paying taxes, late fees, interest on the late taxes. So they are actually major losses just because they missed the deadline. So I have a request that kindly file your ITR on time if you want to go for the new tax regime. Third major disadvantage is you cannot carry forward the losses. So what does it mean you cannot carry forward the losses? Let's understand with the example, and this is the practical example that I faced through my client. So in the last year, one new client came to us and he was saying that Neha, I want to file my ITR and I have a capital gain of rupees 40 lakhs. Then I said, it's okay, fine, we can do it. But then he said, Neha, in the financial 1920, I had some losses that I forgot to carry forward. Reason being, I was not aware. I used some online platform service and they had not suggested me. So in that case, he filed ITR 1 without carry forward of the losses, and the losses amount was 30 lakh rupees. Now he is saying that against this 40 lakh rupees gain of financial 21-22, can you set off it? Then my answer is no. Nobody cannot set off it because you have not carried forward the losses. So this is the answer. If you are not filing your ITR on time, then again you cannot carry forward the losses if in that year you have the losses. My request, if you have the losses, go for the ITR on time. Otherwise you cannot carry forward the losses, and it will not impact you this year. It will impact you later on when you have the gain. So this is the third major disadvantage. Fourth disadvantage is the income tax department is giving interest on refund, and that is 0.5% per month. But do you know that if you're not filing your ITR on time, you're not eligible for this interest on refund? No matter what, you forget to file your ITR by 1 day, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, whatever is the time limit, if your ITR is late, you cannot get the interest on the refund amount. So if you have a refund, then also please file your ITR on time, and whatever is the factor, you should have to file your ITR always on time. So this is all about the disadvantages of late filing of ITR, and still if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. I would love to help you. Let's meet in the next video.